morning, everyone. Today we are back with the Crafty Low or No Spend group, and we are doing themes on the 13th. And I am, you could do outdoor or camping. And this day, my sister, I know I had it written down, but I don't have it out here. It was probably like maybe 2005, I think. And my sister and her family were visiting from Texas, and we went to church, and then we went on a picnic in Brown County Park, and then we went for a walk on the trails in Brown County Park. And when you're in Brown County, it's good that you stay on the trails because there are like rattlesnakes and copperheads or whatever all those snakes are that I wouldn't want to see any of them. And but anyhow, so we took our pictures here, and I don't know if this was at the place where we had the picnic or not, but I'm gonna actually do 3 pages. So I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do, and I'll glue them down, and then I'll come back. So first I'm gonna do this layout, and this is actually a paper from Hobby Lobby, and so is this from their, it was their farm, I don't know, but it was solids and like shades of gray. And so it was like the same color as the dark part in this birchwood paper. So that's why I used that. And then in Echo Park is where I got this, and it's from Gone Camping by Stephen Duncan. And I'm gonna use this, and it's, you know, since it's a 6x6, I'm just gonna actually I'm gonna put them like this. And I think I'm gonna use these photo corners, and I'm going to put this up here. Oh, and since we went picnicking, this is from, I think it was from a Jen Hadfield collection, and it says life is a picnic with you. And since we went on a picnic, I'm going to use that because it was nice to bring in that green, because it's the same green as the tree there. And I'm going to kind of push this over and then tuck this in here, kind of something like that. I'll push it over until I have it to where I have enough room for the picnic or the picnic card. This, I'm not sure where it was from. I've had it for quite a while, and it's been in my sticker book, so it's like I just don't even know. But it says hiking trails, so I'm putting that there. And then I have a walking stick, and I think I'm gonna try to kind of lean it, so make it look like it's leaned up against the photo. And then I have family from, it's Simple Stories, and it was like family, it is a family one. I can't think of what it is, but I'll tell you when I get back after I glue these down. And then I also have one of these little washer charms that I actually brought into my collection obsession. I'm going to use that somewhere in here because it says family, it says together, and I might use I've got some of these tabs, so I might use a tab, I'm not sure, but I'll go over that when I come back if I did or not. Oh, and I just took this twine, and it's from Paper Studio, and I just wrapped it around 3 times and put a knot in it. Now these little washers, it says together on the bottom, otherwise you can flip it over and then it'll say together on the top. And so I'm putting it hanging at the bottom. So that's going to be my first layout. And then this paper here is from Jen Hadfield, the Simple Life. And then this is, where is it from? I think it was from Colorbok. And it just, you know, looks like a tattered wall, I want to say. And I'm going to just put that in here like this. And then on one side, I'm going to put these trees. And I like the perspective of it. Like, I have a whole bunch of photos, but I just brought in my faves. And then I have my husband, my brother-in-law, and my youngest niece in that picture of the 2 nieces. And then I have this beautiful picture of the lake there. And wait a minute, is that where I want it? Yeah, I think so. And so, no, I want this down at the bottom. So I've got the lake here, and it was very still. And then I have the one that has the hill in the back. I kept calling them mountains, but they were hills. It's very hilly over in that area. So that's what I'm going to have on there. And then there were these little tiny butterflies, and they were periwinkle. So I punched out some butterflies in that color, and I'm going to be using those. And then I'm going to use one of these tabs and stick it over here. I'll have the butterflies on there. I do have a lovely day, and I think I'll probably put that in here and then have the butterflies on here. So that will be my second layout. And then I think there's one thing I'm missing. I'll have to go look. And then over here I have this little waterfall, and my husband, my brother-in-law, and the 2 nieces. And I always have to look at this, make sure I have the tree at the top, because it looks like it could go either way because of the reflection. And I'm going to put that there. Nope, I'm wrong. This is going to come over here. This is going to come over here, and this is going to come over here. So on the outside of both mine, there'll be vertical, and on the inside, there'll be horizontal. And then I have another photo of the waterfall. And then I have actually, if you climb up a little higher and take a picture of the waterfall, this is it. And I think that's my brother-in-law in that picture. I didn't even realize there was another person in there. Okay. And then again, I'm just going to use the periwinkle butterflies, and I'll probably use another one of these tabs. It's like there's not a whole lot of room on these, so it's like I'm keeping it pretty simple. So I'll be back when I get this laid out, and then I'll tell you what collection the family's from too. Okay, I'm back, and the family is from Simple Stories, Hearth and Home. Okay, I also had this peaceful I decided to put on here. I put the little washer down here that says together, have the walking stick, the hiking trail sign, and then I put on the photo corners, and I have Life is a Picnic with You. And also, when I went to put these 6x6 down, I trimmed them down so they were about the same all the way around. And then I glued the photo on them, and I had the strip left, and I was like thinking, where can I put the strip? Well, I ended up lining it right up with the other paper, and so it looks like it's a mat all the way around, even though I just glued it on and trimmed it. Actually, over here I wouldn't have had to put much of anything because it's like it is covering it. So that's page 1 of our little hike. And then this one here will be page 2, and it says a lovely day, and I've just got the punched periwinkle butterflies like the ones I seen that day. And I took pictures of them, but it's like they're so faded. They look so faded in the picture that it just wasn't worth actually using them in the layout. Whoops. Get that off there. Okay. And then so I did that. I also put the tab here, and I decided to put little enamel dots, white ones on here. Oh, and over here I used the periwinkle ones. So to kind of bring the color in here, even though this will be on a whole separate page, I'll have this at the beginning and then these other two together when we're actually walking through the park. And then over here I put the one with the blue jay on it, and I put some more of the enamel dots and the periwinkle butterflies, and then I have these, just this burgundy paper or magenta or whatever. It's kind of like a burgundy leather almost, but it really brought out the color of like the fencing, the ground here where it's, maybe it's clay, I don't remember. It's been a while. Oh, and I did find the date, and it was June of 2006. So I'll have to put that on here. And then someplace I'll probably just journal right underneath family and put about our day in the walk in the park and our picnic after church. So that's it there. And nice little family layout in the outdoors. And so now if you just type in like theme on the 13, you should be able to see other ones, and also you'll see the cover of this this video will have my cover that says themes on the 13th, and you'll be able to look for that too. So thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.